Hello Reef Finance holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video I'm talking about the Reef token, my friends. What's going on in the Reef? What is the latest? What is the urgent update of the Reef Finance? In this video I will share with the latest update. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now at this time, my friends, the latest price of the Reef Finance is $0.01 my friends. And my friends, please before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. $0.01 is the currently latest price of the Reef Finance. And furthermore, my friends, if we talk about the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply of the Reef, total supply of the Reef, so every update is present here, my friends. Every update, my friends. What should we do in this critical situation? I will guide you, my friends. You can see that now the price of the Reef Finance is completely going down. The last 1 hour, last 24 hours, last 1 week changes open, the Reef Finance is negative, my friends. So at this time the price of Reef Finance is completely going down. So I really recommend for all of you that don't be disappointed, my friends. Wait, be patient and wait for the huge pump of the Reef Finance. Absolutely, Reef will take a huge pump in the July month. You can see here in a previous time in the June, my friend, the price of the Reef Finance is very badly fast down, but now in the July you can see that gradually, my friends, gradually the Reef Finance start pumping, my friends. And I'm sure that one day will come that the Reef Finance is going to the moon, my friends. So be positive, and my friends, don't decide to sell, it's time to hold. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe our channel for more updates and news videos.